No? Agatha? You didn't remind everyone? Oh, okay. Recognition. Very good. Christina, are you there? David, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Good morning, Ian. How are you? Doing good?
Good morning, sir. Yes,
Doing good? How's your practice session is going on?
going well, sir.
Doing well? Very good. Okay, perfect, guys. So we'll start a new chapter named as construction. Okay, so put a heading, everyone. Bring your notebook and write it down. The heading construction. What is the chapter number? What's chapter number?
8. Chapter number 8.
Eight. So let me open files, downloads. Chapter number? No. What is chapter number? 17.
I think it's 18, sir. It's 18.
18. 18. 18. Perfect. Okay, so obviously, what is the construction? The name, the chapter name itself says that we have to construct something. What we have to construct, we have to make something. Okay, we have to make something and we have to write it down. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn that first topic is division of a line segment if it is given in the ratio internally. That is the first topic in which we will divide the line segment. Okay, how it will work when it is internally ratio is given. So first of all, we understand how the ratio works to divide the line segment. Okay, so first, don't write this topic. I'll making you explain. For example, we have a line segment. So you don't know how to make a line segment. The line segment means 2 points are there and you have to mark it. So for example, this line segment is 10 centimeter long. Can you see this? Hmm? And if I will tell you to make it in a ratio of 5 is to 5, which means that you have to make a point such that this is also 5 centimeter. This is also 5 centimeter. You got my point. 5 is to 5. If I will ask you to cut this line segment in 4 is to 7, 4 is to 7 is not possible. Either 4 is to 6 can be possible because 10 centimeter is the line segment and you have to cut into, like for example, you have to make a point such that this will be like P point. This is 4 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. 4 plus 6 is 10. So we are making them in a, like we are dividing the line segment such that 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter, such that 2 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So we can make a point and divide into ratio. You got the ratio? Okay. Now how to do this? So everyone take the scale. Take out the scale. Scale, pencil, eraser, everything. Okay. Now from a black pen, write a heading, division of a line segment, division of a line segment in the given ratio. In the given ratio. The given ratio. Now, how will you solve this? How will you solve it? For example, there is one question. We'll do the question, then we will do it. Okay. Divide a line segment 8 centimeter into 3:4 ratio. Divide a line segment into 3:4 ratio. A line segment 8 centimeter into 3:4 ratio. We can do divide line segment 7 centimeter into 3:4 ratio. Okay. Now, how will you do this? So, every time I'm saying it again and again, when you are doing these questions, you have to make a rough diagram. Rough diagram, only just normal rough diagram with the pencil. Okay, you can make it such that this is my rough diagram. This is a line segment AB, and this is a point B, which divides them into 3:4. This is your rough diagram. 8, if you will, if you are not making it, you can lose the points. Okay, are you with me? We are making a diagram, rough diagram, which is necessary. Don't leave this. You have to make the rough diagram. This is the rough diagram. Now, how will you solve it? So, obviously, you have to make a line segment 7 centimeters. Everyone, quickly make a line segment 7 centimeters. Like, for example, this is A point. Yes,
No,
yes, Abraham.
so it's a rough diagram in the exam, sir.
Yeah, in the exams, you have to make the rough diagram.
Yes, sir. But in the exam, we don't have much space, sir. Can we just make a diagram of, like, if it's a 7 centimeters, can we make a line like of 3.5 centimeters and label it as 7 centimeters?
No, no, no. In the question, if it is given 7 centimeter, you have to draw 7 centimeter only. You will have, like, they will not give to make for 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers. They will ask for that much only, which you can make on the in the exam sheet, like 7 centimeter, 8 centimeters. So you cannot write as 3.5. You cannot take as 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. You have to take 7 centimeter. But in the rough diagram, you can make. In the rough diagram, you can make 3.5, 3.2, or whatever the measurement you have to take. But in the actual diagram, you have to take the fixed measurement. Did you understand?
So in the question, so we have to include a rough diagram and an actual diagram.
Yes, you have to make two diagrams, rough diagram and actual diagram. In the rough diagram, you can take any measurement, just write down the values, no need of that, okay, of fixed value and everything. But in the actual diagram, we need proper values, proper everything. You got my point? Hmm? Now everyone, you make a line segment of 7 centimeter. Any problem? Hmm? Now, put now you have to write this is a 7 centimeter, and with the help of pencil. No pen required in a diagram. No pen required in a diagram. Write it down 7 centimeter. Now, done. Till here, everyone done. Hmm? Now we have three types of angle. Everyone knows about that. Four types of angle basically, or five types of, or six types of angle. Okay. First is acute angle. What is acute angle? That angle which is less than 90 degree. I mean, if 45 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree, 90 degree, 89 degree, these all are acute angle. What is right angle? 90 degree. If it is 90 degree, it is called as right angle. If it is more than 90 degree, it is called as what? Obtuse angle. Did you understand, guys? So now you have to make an acute angle from point A. Okay, make any acute angle. Any acute angle means it should be less than 90 degree. So make an acute angle from point A such that everyone got this? Say yes or no? Make any acute angle. Acute angle should be less than 90 degree. For example, everyone please pay attention. Like this is 90 degree. This part is 90 degree. No, it should be less than this. You make any acute angle. Draw it.
So should we write step by step or should we just write one big diagram?
Means? Say it
Like,
again.
first we should show the step in which we are writing the 7 centimeter. Then the next step we have to
Hmm.
write the 7 centimeter like with the red. Should we do that?
No, I didn't. Say it again, beta.
Okay.
How long so does the acute angle have to be?
Any angle, any line. No necessary of any measurement. Fixed measurement is not there.
Not as long
Okay. Yeah, you can make as long as your copy is there. No problem. Okay. Everyone. Yes, Agatha.
So it's like this. So in the first step, I write 7 centimeter line with A,
Hmm.
B, 3 to 4. In the next step, do I need to again write the 7 centimeter line and write the line just and write the acute angle?
See, this is a rough diagram. This is not the actual diagram. This is just a normal diagram that our main diagram should be look like. But this is the actual diagram that we are making, in which we draw 7 centimeter line and then we make an acute angle of any length. No problem. Okay. Okay. Now
But
everyone. Huh.
I was asking, should we write the steps or can I just write the diagram immediately? Like,
First make the diagram. Make the diagram. Then we'll write the steps of construction. Like each step, what we do. Okay. First make the diagram. Okay. Still here. Any problem? Still here? Any problem? No problem. Okay. Now put your pencil in the compass. Everyone and show it to me. Put your pencil in a compass and show it to me. Compass inside the compass. You know now how to put a pencil to compass. The pencil tip and the needle tip. They should be in the like in a one surface, plain surface. Okay. Okay. Everyone done. David, Christian, are you doing this? Turn on your camera, please.
Yes.
Perfect. Hmm. Now put the needle tip on the A. Put the needle tip on the A. Here. Put the needle tip here and open a little compass. A little compass like you can open it little like this. Not too big, not too small. Okay. Can you show me how much you are opening? Beth is too big. Lian is too big. It's too big, too big. Abraham, make it little small. Perfectly. Abraham, little bit more. Abraham, little bit more. Little bit more. No, it's too small. It's too small. Too small. Open a little. Lian, perfect. Bethia, little small. Uh, Miraculin, perfect. And Agatha, I can't see yours. Your sister's drawing is coming in my way. Can't see. Okay. Abraham, David, if you came from space, then can you show me? The pencil is too big. I can't see that. Perfect. Yeah, Abraham, perfect. Abraham, perfect. David, perfect. Agatha's perfect. And Christiana, show me. Show it to me. No, it's the tip I can't see. It's too big. It's too big. Make little small. And Christiana, your pencil, I guess, is going above the tip of the needle. No, it should be on like the needle and the pencil should be on the both. Like if you will put it, they should both touch the surface. Make it little small. Make it little small. Little small. Little small. Everyone done? Little bit more. Little bit more. Little bit more. ठीक है. Okay. Now listen, guys. Now, what is the ratio? How many ratios are there? 3:4 ratios are there, no? 3:4 ratios are there, no? So, if 3:4 ratios are there, then we have to add these ratios. So, it will become 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. Okay, 3:4 is there, then you have to add this. For example, if in the question it will come 4:8, then it will become 4 plus 8. You got my point? Lian, David, Christina, if it is in the ratio of 5:2, David, what will you do? 5 plus 2. Got it? Huh? So now you have to make, like, what is the answer you got? You got answer as 7. Yes? So put the tip of the compass on the A point. Now make an arc like this on the line on this way. So it's gonna be look like this. Put the tip of the tip on the A, and the compass that you open, make an arc like this. Got it? Done? Now do not disturb your compass. The width that you open, it should be remain same. Do not disturb the compass. For example, if you close the compass, then again put the compass needle on the A and open the arc which you make. Open the pencil till that place. You got my point, Lian? No. In case if you disturb the compass, how to make it simple again is to put the tip of the needle on the A again and then open the arc which you make. So you will get the same way. Now, this is only the first arc, which is A1. You have to make 7 points like this. So what you do? Now the second point, you put the compass tip on A1 and then make one more arc here. It should be A2. Got it? Make an arc again A2. Without disturbing the compass, put the tip on A2, make an arc. It will be A3. Like this, you have to make 7 points. So now A3, then it will make A4, then A5, and then A6. If the line is becoming short, like you're not getting inside the line, then extend the line. And then A7. Now you have to show me this till here. Till here, you have to show me on the camera. It's blurred, Lian. It's blurred. And who's showing? Betty done? Show it to me on the camera. I need to see it on the camera. Okay. Is it 7? You make 7 points? Lian? Yes. Okay. Make write A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. Betty a little bit. Yeah, with the pencil. With the not pen. No pen needed. Only pencil I want. Okay. Write it down. Okay, A1, A2. Okay. And who done? David, you done? Justron? You done? Can you show it to me?
Not yet, sir.
Okay, do it. Miraculin, done? Agatha, show it to me. Abraham, I'm not able to see it because of your background. I can see only rocket in your notebook. Okay, Lian, done. Done, correct. Perfect.
So how about mine?
I didn't see. Who's saying? Perfect. Agatha is no camera is on. How can I see? Correct, Abraham. Correct, Agatha. Do not disturb the compass. If you will disturb the compass, then you will not get the perfect result. Do not disturb the compass. Okay, perfect. No problem. Now, everyone done? I hope. Okay. Now, what you have to do? What is the last point of this acute angle ray? It's 7, no? A7, no? Now, join A7 and B. Join A7 and B. You have to join A7 and B. Like this. Join A7 and B.
Scale, sir?
Yeah, with the scale. With the scale, put the scale, join A7 and B.
Like when we are drawing the acute angle, should we use scale or like something else?
When you are making acute angle, just with the scale, draw this line of any measurement. No needed of 45 degree or 60 degree or 80 degree. No need of that. Only an acute angle of any angle you make with the scale. Then you make a points A1, A2, A3. Why only 7 points? Because the ratios are 3 is to 7. If the ratios are 5 is to 6, then Lien, how many points you will make? If 5, you're mute.
11.
Yeah, 11 points you have to make. Okay, so the ratios depends upon how many points you will make. Christiana, did you understand? No. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Now, the thing is, till here, anyone, till here, done? Do you have any problem? No? Now you can disturb the compass. Now you can disturb the compass. Now the compass problem is solved. Okay. Now put the needle of the compass on the A7 point. Put the needle of the compass on A7 point quickly. Put the needle of the compass on A7 point and open a compass. Okay, open the compass like any measurement. No problem in measurement. You can, it's your, like, how much you want to open. You can open. Okay, and then make an arc like this. Make an arc like this. I'm saying it again. Put the needle of the compass on A7. Open it, any measurement, not too big measurement that your line is coming like this. No, not too much big, but not too small also. Like medium range. And you can make an arc like this. I'm also making, okay, like this.
So the arc
So
has
yeah, that is why I'm saying it is not necessary. It will come between A4 and A5, or it will come between A4, A5 and A6. It's your measurement. You can take any measurement. I took and open an arc like this. Don't make a circle. Only one small arc you have to make. Okay, Abraham? Don't make full circle. Just make an arc. Got it? My point, Abraham? Who's Ali baby? Dhaneshwar? Okay, sorry for that. When the kiddos are near us, then they gives us exercise. Okay, Babu, nahi. No. Okay, listen. Now, done. Till here, done. Huh? Now, name this point as X and Y. Name this point. These 2 points you got. X and Y. X and Y. Don't disturb the compass. I'm saying again. When you make from A7, when you make this arc, don't disturb the compass. Christina, did you disturb the compass? If you disturb the compass will disturb your marks. Okay, don't disturb the compass now. Okay, now listen, guys. Listen. Now, what ratio they ask? They ask the ratio of 3 is to 4, na? Means on A3, you have to make an arc again, like this. Because 3 is to 4 ratio they ask. If 2 is to 5 ratio they will ask, then on 2 you have to make an arc. Okay? Are you with me? Are you with me? Did you understand? Okay, whatever the first number is there, you have to put it here. So again, I'm repeating. On A7, you make an arc. You put you write the name X and Y with a pencil. Now the ratio R is in 3 is to 4. Means on 3, you have to make an arc like this without disturbing the compass.
So
You got my point? Yeah.
do we need to take the same measurement, or should we take a different one?
No, same measurement. The measurement that you took for A7 to make this arc, the same measurement you have to put your needle on the A3 and make an arc like this.
But it
You
mustn't
got
go,
my point, Vivian? Yeah.
but it mustn't cross the line AB, right?
It won't cross the line AB. You should not like it won't be like this. No. Small arc you have to make, not big arc you have to make. Just small arc. So like this you can make. Now from the A3 you can make an arc. Everyone got my point?
Yeah, so my arc is going off the line.
Can you show me? Can you show it to me on the camera? Can you show it to me? I want to see your diagram, Ibrahim. Uh, oh, you took that big arc, beta. I told you to take not too big arc.
Yeah, but you put it between A4 and A5, so I put it between A4 and A5.
Okay, do one thing. The arc which you make, na, the arc which you make, it's too big. Make it little small. I make it to A4 and A5 because I don't have proper measurement and scale. You draw it small arc, little small arc you have to draw. Otherwise, it will go outside the line only. Make a more small at Abraham. Show it to me. Little bit more. Perfect, perfect. Not two. This is two. This is too much. Show. Remove your hand. Remove your hand. Perfect. Now make it. Make an arc. Okay. Now without disturbing the compass on A3. 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 Do not disturb the compass. X and Y. And then now A3. Is it still going? No, no. Ah. Okay.
So
Okay.
can I show you my diagram?
Yeah, yeah. Show it to me. Show it to me. Show it to me. It's no, I can't see. A3. Perfect. 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 Anybody else who want to show me? Then if you have doubt. Anybody else? Miracle, you want to show it to me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Like,
show it to me.
I did a little mistake. I missed A3, so I'm just doing it again.
Okay, okay, okay. Christina, David, show it to me. If you come out from Einstein, I mean space.
So even mine was a bit too big, so I'm just doing it again. I'm erasing
Okay,
it.
okay. Okay. Jashran, can you show it me your diagram, please?
Sir, I'm not done yet. So,
Oh, you're not done yet. Okay.
when
Yes.
like when we are making a arc on A5, the point should be on like 7 A7.
Like first arc, you put your needle on A7, and then you draw an arc like David. You can see the David diagram. Okay, David diagram is perfect right now. And then without disturbing the compass, put your, because 3:4 ratio is there, no? So put on A3, okay, and make an arc like this. Okay, everyone done till here? Shall I move forward? Okay, now you have to measure this x1. You have to measure x1. How will you measure the xy? Put the tip of the compass on x, open till y. You can disturb the compass now. Put the tip of the compass on x and measure y. Put the tip of the compass on x and open it till y. So it means that you measured xy. Got my point? Leanne, Miraculin? Everyone? Jashron? Christina? Christian, turn your camera, beta. You got it? Now the point which you got, like this point, name this as M. Name this as M.
So I have a question.
Yes.
Like when we are making an arc on A2, where should we put the point? Like left tip this.
Like you put the compass on A3 and you make this arc.
Yeah.
So it is not necessary that it will come after A2 or after A1. It's not necessary. Like depending upon your diagram, it can come anywhere else. The point which is touching this ray, you have to name that as M.
Okay, sir.
The arc in which we made with the compass from A3, we must make that point as M.
M. Perfect. Now, now you measured x and y, na? You measured x and y, na, right now. Put the
Yes.
needle on M. Put the needle on M. Put the needle on M without disturbing the compass. Put the needle on M. Right now you measured x and y. Yes, true. You measured x and y. You have to put the needle on M and cut an arc like this. It can come outside the line also, no problem in it. Okay, I'm repeating again. Right now you measured x and y without disturbing the compass. Put the needle on M and cut like this. Cut it like this. And name that as M. Name that as N. Everyone done? Abraham, Agatha. If it is coming, if the cut is coming here outside the line, no problem in it.
So can you just repeat, sir?
Okay, so you make this arc
So with the distance of xy,
with the distance of xy, put the needle on M and cut this arc wherever it is coming and name that as N. N for nest. Got
so
it, Abraham? Yes. Say it again.
we have to put it. We have to. How do we make the arc M? So can you just
Put
repeat that?
put the needle on M here. Put it the point which you make from A3, na? Put that needle here.
The point which I make from A3, so is not going to come all the way there.
Show it to me. Show it to me.
It's coming.
Ah. Then cut an arc like this. Cut an arc like this. And name that as M. Everyone done till here? Huh? Till here done? Now you have to join this A3 to the N to the line segment. Like this. You have to
With
join
scale.
with the scale. You have to join from the A3 to the N point to the line segment. It's going to be look like this. Abraham, did you understand? No. The arc N which you make, you have to join from A3 to the N to the line segment. Then the ratio that you got, yes, done. Now you have to measure AP and you have to measure PB with the scale. With the scale, measure it and tell me the answer that you got. How
Can you
much
repeat
you
that
got?
back?
So you got a point P, which is the point on the line segment because of the A3.
Yeah.
Now measure AP and PB and tell me the answer. How much you got AP?
3 centimeter. Like AP
A-
is 3 centimeter.
AP is 3 centimeter and PB is
4.
So
4
my
centimeter. Correct. Ah,
so my AP is 3.7 centimeter.
3.7 centimeters. Some error are there. It's okay. Right now it's okay, but you have to do more practice to be more accurate. If it is 3.2 or 3.3, it's okay. But 3.7 error is there. Some mistakes or something is there, but you have to make it again. Then there will be no problem. Yes, Christina, how much you got?
So mine is coming as 3.5 and for P to B it's coming 4.
So if it is coming, this one is 3.5 and this one is 4, then it means that you make a line segment of 7.5, not 7. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
You make the line 7.5, not 7. Got it? So you make sure that it should be 7 centimeters. Now we will understand the concept behind that. Why we did this much things together. Okay. What I did now, everyone done how to make the diagram? Everyone understand with this? Now I am explaining the concept of doing this much thing. The concept of doing this much thing is there is a line segment 7 centimeter. I make another line segment and divides them into the 7 equal parts. This is equal parts, no? Because we make this arc without disturbing the compass. Equal parts. And out of 7 equal parts, I make it into 3 equal parts, which is 3. And this remaining 4 equal parts in one side, which is 4. That is why it becomes 3:4 ratio. We got this point? Everyone got this point? Say yes or no? Now write it down what I am trying to say. Everyone turn on the camera and write it down what I am trying to say. Write it down. Steps of construction. After this, write it down. Steps of construction. Steps of construction. Steps of construction. Steps of construction. Write it down. Draw a line segment 7 centimeter. First step is draw a line segment 7 centimeter. Name it as AB. Name it as AB. Yes, Yashwant, you're writing, no? Okay. Second point. Second point is draw an acute angle of any measurement. Draw an acute angle of any measurement from A. From A. Name that ray as AZ. So you make this point also Z. You can write it down here Z. Okay.
Sir, after measurement.
Of any measurement and name that ray AZ. AZ. Got my point? Leanne, Christiana, David, Jashron, Abraham.
AZ
Now,
or only Z, sir? Like only Z, right?
no, from A we are making, no. So this ray name we took as AZ.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Second point. Third point. Now, open the compass. Open the compass of any measurement. Open the compass of any measurement. Open the compass of any measurement. Make 7 equal points on ray AZ. Open the compass of any measurement. Make 7 equal points on AZ.
Sir,
Hmm.
the maths
Yeah.
class the science class didn't start, right?
Yeah, will be there.
Yeah,
It will be there.
it didn't start though.
Yeah, it didn't start. It didn't start.
Okay. You were saying race and also science also
No.
had, so I thought.
No.
Okay.
It's not start. Okay. Done. So what I says, last point. What is the last time? Last point.
Open the compass of any measurement, make 7 equal points on AC.
And name that A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, and A7. Name them A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, and A7.
Sir,
Next point.
So
Yeah.
it says 3 that open compass of any measurement, not too big, makes 7 equal points, right?
Yeah, 7 equal points and name them A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, and A7. Next point. Join A7 and B. Join A7 and B. You have to write the steps of construction because in like construction is a scoring sub chapter. From this, 7 to 8 marks will come. In which steps of construction definitely it will come. So you should know how to make the diagram as well as how to write the steps of construction. So we are writing down each steps of construction based on the what we did. Okay. Now join B and A7. Done. Now from the A7, open a compass of any measurement. Make an arc from the A7 point. Open the compass of any measurement. Make an arc. Name them X and Y. Such that
So
such
can
that
you so can you repeat that from the A7
from
point?
A7 open the compass of any measurement, make an arc such that X point will be on AZ ray,
Sir, could you please
such that X point will be on AZ ray, AZ ray, and Y point will be on BA7. Y point will be on line segment BA7. Y point will be on line segment BA7.
Sir, could you
Hmm.
please say it again? The step 4.
Uh, I am making it with my mind. Okay. Open, like, put a needle on A7, open a compass of any measurement, make an arc such that X point will be on AZ and Y point will be on line segment BA7. Now, without disturbing a compass, next point, without disturbing a compass, without disturbing a compass, put your needle on A3. गई वो. Without disturbing the compass, put your needle on A3 and make an arc. Without disturbing the compass, put your compass on A3 and make an arc such that point M on AZ ray. Such that point M should be on AZ ray.
So after A3, put your compass on
Yeah.
A3.
And make an arc without disturbing the compass. Make an arc without disturbing the compass such that point M should be on AZ ray. AZ ray. Next point. Measure XY. Measure XY. Measure XY. Next point. Draw, without disturbing the compass. Without disturbing the compass. Put your needle on M. Put your needle on M. Cut an arc. Name them N. Okay. So where were we?
So
What was the last point?
disturbing the compass after that one.
Without disturbing the compass, put your needle on M and cut an arc. Name them N. Name them N. Now join A3 and join A3 and P. Join A3 and N3. Last point. Hence the line segment is divided into 3:4 ratio. Hence the line segment is divided into 3:4 ratio such that AP is equals to 3 centimeter, AP is equals to 3 centimeter, and PB is equals to 4 centimeter. PB is equals to 4 centimeter. Now this question will come in 3 marks or 5 marks. So that is why it's scoring part. It's very easy. You got everyone? Got it? Say yes or no? Okay. So steps of construction is also important, as well as the diagram and the rough diagram. Everything is important. Now I will give you only 1 minute break. Come back in 1 minute. We'll start the science class. Quickly come back in 1 minute. Bye, Justin.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye. Okay, guys, come back. Come back, guys. Nidhi, Abraham, Agatha, Christiana, Joshua, Leanne, Miracle, everyone. Come back, guys. So we were doing about the I. So an I for an I. Okay. So it's not the word I, but it's a word I. I mean, it's not a letter I, but it's a word I. Okay. So let me explain you the word, like the meaning of I. What I'm saying. Let me explain the terms in the I. Okay, with a diagram. So let me download it. Till then, everyone turn on your camera, please. Please turn on your camera. Okay. Can you see this diagram in front of you? Okay, so we are learning about I. So in the eye, the first part, the first transparent medium part, it is called as cornea. Okay, which keeps our eyes in moist. So this is called as cornea. Okay, now we will have this thing, this red part, okay, which helps the lens to hold, it is called as which part? It is called as ciliary muscles, which hold the lenses. Okay, which hold the lenses is called as ciliary muscles. Now listen, guys. So you have heard that this eye is red in color, this eye is blue in color, green in color. Huh? You have heard it or you have saw. Okay, that blue or red or green, the color of the eye is decided by the iris. Iris decide the color of the eye. Which color is what? Red color, blue color, green color. Okay, any color is defined by the iris, and it depends genetically. Really, I'm saying genetically it depends that which color of eye you will get, or generally it is brownish black color that we all get. Next, next is next one is we will learn about the lens. Okay, the main thing which we are going to learn is lens. Now, what is lens? This is which lens? Obviously, it look like a convex lens. So, it is a convex lens that is in the eye, which makes the image on the retina. Now, this is called as retina. Retina is where the image is formed. Okay, retina is where the image is formed. Everyone got it? Agatha, Lian, Joshua. Okay, retina is where the image is formed. Okay. Now we have this optic nerve. Optic nerve takes the image which is on the retina to the brain for the interpretation. Okay, for the interpretation. Now we have learned that in convex lens the image is real and inverted. For example, if this is, for example, this is Agatha. Okay, okay. Now the Agatha is standing like normally upright. Okay. Now if the convex lens will produce the image on the retina, so it will be upside down. Means it gonna be look like this. This is upside down image. You got my point? No. Okay. I want to do it very well, but yeah. So now, so right now you can see that the Agatha on the retina is upside down. Okay, like she's standing like this, and the image which is formed on retina is upside down because the convex lens makes the inverted image. Correct? Correct? So what happens that when this nerve takes the signal to the brain, okay, brain will again inverted it so that I can see the things which is in front of me straight, upright. Okay, are you getting my point? I will repeat this part again. This is important part which I am trying to say. Convex lens makes inverted image. Inverted means upside down. For example, this is a bottle in front of me, which I am not using this. This is Zoe's bottle, okay? So if this is bottle in front of me, this is the nibble part and this is the base part. On my retina, the image is like this. Really, I'm saying, on my retina, the image is like this. Are you getting my point? Ian, Abraham, Bithya? Okay, on my
Yes,
retina, it's
sir.
like this. But when the optic nerve take that signal, my brain will again do it like this. So that the bottle which is in front of me, it is gonna be straight. Okay? Christina, did you understand? Joshua, Abraham, Agatha. So this is how the eye works. Now, perfect sharp image we can only get when the image is on retina. If the image is here, it means that it is not on the retina. It means that the image is not clear. That is why we use specs for the correction. That is why we have the defects. Are you getting my point? No. I'm repeating again. if the image, like for example, Agatha's image, if I'm getting on the retina, then I can see Agatha clearly, crystal clear. Okay. But if I will get Agatha's image behind my retina or in front of the retina like this, then I'm not able to see the Agatha. It's like I am not seeing it, but when you behind it there I like that. I can't see anything. You got my point, Leanne, Joshua, Vidya? Okay. So the image should be on retina. Did you understand? Huh? Now with this, write defects of the eye. No, iris. See, this is the work of pupil. See, what is the work of pupil? Iris gives the color, but the pupil control the. Yeah, one more word is there, no? Pupil. I forgot to say pupil. What is the work of pupil? Pupil control the light coming. Okay. For example, if we in the night, okay, when we are on the bed, we don't need to use the mobile, but we are using the mobile. The light is less, so our pupil will dilate and become like this, so that we can see the object clearly. Means it will open up. Okay, when we are seeing to the sun, so we will become Chinese. Hey, how? Why? Why will become Chinese? Because the less light we need in our eyes, so it won't damage. So pupil control the coming light rays in the eye. More eyes becoming like an angry person, less eyes becoming like a Chinese, like that. Got it, everyone? Say yes or no. Hmm? Now put a heading: defects of these eyes. Put a heading: defects of the eye. Defects of the eye. First defect is myopia. First defect is myopia. This is also called as nearsightedness.
So with nearsightedness, you need glasses to see, sir.
Yes, you need glasses because this is the defects. So nearsightedness, myopia, or short-sightedness, these all are defects of the same kind. Means same. Okay. Like for example, my my name is Hardik. Some people tell me Hakko. Some people say me Hadik. So this is me only, same person. In the same way, we have myopia, nearsightedness, and short-sightedness. They mean same. Got it? Everyone got it? Say yes or no. Hmm? Now, what does this mean? So, I would request you guys to listen this thing. Nearsightedness means I can see near object clearly, but far object not clearly. Are you getting my point? No. Nearsightedness or myopia means I can see the near object clearly, but far object I cannot see clearly. For example, if I will see the board in front of me, what is written on that board, I am not able to read it, but I can read the which is written on the book, which is near me, easily. That is called as nearsightedness. Near sight is correct. Are you getting my point, Leanne? Christina? David? Near sight is correct, myopia. Near sighted. Short sighted. Agatha got it? Hmm? Now
Yes.
listen. So, for example, this is an eye. Nobody will laugh on my drawing, please. This is a humble request. Okay. I am very bad in drawing.
Sir, by saying don't laugh at you, we are feeling to laugh, sir.
I mean, I am very bad in drawing, please. I mean,
It looks okay. It
yeah.
looks like a nut. That's all.
This is eye, not a nut. Hello. Uh,
Sorry.
okay. Okay. Listen. For example, in the normal human eye, the normal human eye will gonna be look like this. If a normal human eye, for example, Joshua didn't wear the specs. He's a normal human. Okay, okay, normal human eye. So for the normal human eye, like he can see the far point normally. Okay, he can see the far point normally. So for example, a ray which is coming for the far point like this. Okay, then it will converges on the retina and he can see that far object clearly. This is normal human. This is what? Normal human. Normal human can see that object which is far away clearly because it is on the retina. The image is on the retina. Are you getting my point? This is what? This is a convex lens which we have. Okay. Now, what a myopic eye look like? Like for example, I am a myopic person because I cannot see the far object clearly. Betsia is a myopic person. She cannot see the far object clearly. Okay. Okay, she has to walk like this. What is this? What is this? If she is not wearing the specs. Miraculin, also a myopic person. She cannot see the far object clearly. So if they will remove the specs now, then where the image is from, I will tell it to you. Like, my God, again diagram. So for example, this is an eye. It's looking like a Donald Duck. Oh my God. I said not to laugh. I didn't say to laugh. Okay. For example, yes, yes, Joshua. For example, this is an human eye. Sorry. Now, how the myopic person eye look like? For example, this is a far point, and for example, Miraculin is remove the specs, and there is a far object is there, and how the image will form if the specs are removed. Okay, if the specs are removed, na, the image gonna be look like this. Just give me a second. It gonna be look like this. Oh. So can you see where the image is forming? It is in front of retina. I told you before also. If it is on the retina, na, we can see the object clearly. But because it is in front of the retina, the image become little blurred. Are you with me, Lian? Miraculin? Huh? Why the
So,
image is blurred? Because the far object image is not on the retina, but it is before the retina. This
so
is
the
myopic person look like. Yes.
so when the lines connect, like the part where it's connected, that's where the image is formed.
Yes, that's where the image is formed. In the myopic eye,
Okay.
it is in front of the retina. It's not on the retina. Now, what does this mean? The convergence occurs before the retina, no? Means it is converging, the focal point will become less, no? So for that, which lens we needed? We needed a diverging lens so
The
that it can diverge it and make it on the retina. So it's gonna be look like this. Um, very good. Okay. So here here we need, thank you, Joshua. You will get extra marks for that. For example, this is a far point, okay? And if the light rays are coming, we need that point, that lens which diverges it, so that the image which is in front of the retina can be on the retina. So it's gonna be, we need a concave lens for that, so that when the light rays will go like this, it will diverges little, and when the divergence done, then it will be corrected and be on the retina. You got my point? You got my point? So it means that I, Miraculin, and Betya, which spectacles we are using? We are using concave spectacles. So the
So,
spectacles have concave lens. You got it?
so our eye is convex and we are using a concave lens to help
Mm.
us see better.
Yes, because concave lens is now diverging it. We can see that either diversion. And because of the diversion, the image which is here, now it is becoming shifted towards the retina. Did you understand, Agatha? No. Agatha asked me. David, Christina, Bethia, everyone got it? Huh? Diversion is needed because concave lens is diverging the image which is in front of the retina to the retina. And crystal clear image can be, we can see. Got it? No. Okay. So now make this diagram and then write it down what I'm trying to say. Quickly make this diagram. Let's see your diagram skills. You're laughing on me, no? Now I will laugh. That's my turn.
I have a question.
Yes, yes, sir, Abraham.
My question is about this diagram, not this diagram, it's about the lens. So, suppose if I was to wear somebody's spectacles which have a concave lens, sir, what
Hmm.
would I see?
Like your eyes are normal,
Yes, sir.
then you are wearing a concave lens. So first thing is you will have a stress in your eyes. Why stress? Because your normal eye makes the image on retina. But because of the concave lens, they are diverging it and they are putting the images behind the retina. So your eyes will have a stress to fix that image on the retina. So there will be the pain in your eyes. Are you getting my point? Concave lens is non-living thing. It will diverges. It will shift the image, okay, away, like it will more far away from the convex lens. So the image will be behind the retina, but your eye will be in the stress that to make that behind the retina on the image, on the this thing,
So,
on the
sir,
retina.
so
Hmm.
it will spoil my eyes, right?
It will spoil your eyes. You will have a headache. You will have a stress in your eyes. Your eyes will have a pain. And if you will using a longer it, okay, then you will need a doctor. Why
Okay,
you're
sir.
using it? You have normal eyes. Why you're using it?
So I have a question, sir, but I use
Please.
magnifying glasses.
Hmm. Magnifying glasses is not you are using for this. Magnifying glasses are using for the object to become big. Okay, magnifying glasses, you are not using it in your eyes. Okay, you are putting here to see that object big in that magnifying glass. These both are different things. Magnifying glass is magnifying that, okay, and you are seeing on that magnifying glass that the object, the words become big. Okay. Now done with the diagram.
Almost, sir.
Write it down. In this defect, in this defect, objects which are far away, in this defect, objects which are far away, in this objects which are far away are not clearly visible, are not clearly visible because the image is formed in front of the retina. Lian, are you writing? Yeah? You're writing, no? Okay, okay, perfect. Because the image is formed in front of the retina.
Can you say from
Yeah.
object?
Which, what I said, the object
In
which is
this,
far away, in this respect, the object which is far away, it's not clearly visible. It's not clearly visible because the image is formed, because the image is formed behind the, in front of the retina. Because the image is formed in front of the retina. Because the image is formed in front of the retina.
So what is the last part, sir?
Because the image is formed in front of the retina. To correct this, Christina, David, are you there? Can you hear me? Turn on the camera, everyone, please.
Sir, David
To
left.
correct this, David left.
No, he's. Oh yeah,
No,
he's.
he's there. Agatha,
No,
you
because
want me to call? You want
no,
me to call David's father that he left in between the class?
no,
No, no,
I
no. You
didn't.
want me to call David? See. Okay. Listen, write it down. To correct this, we use concave lens. To correct this, we use concave lens. To correct this, we use concave. Okay. Did you understand, guys? Say yes or no.
So I have a question about
Please,
diagram. There
please.
is one like vitreous body. So what is that? What does that do?
What you're saying?
Like vitreous body, beside objective.
Vitreous body. Basically, it is called as vitreous humor. Okay, what is vitreous humor? So everyone is like eating a good non-veg, no? Like everyone knows how to eat something. So if you have eaten a fish, there's a fish eye. Huh? Fish eye, if you will eat it, you will get a liquid. That liquid will come. That liquid is basically called as vitreous humor. Means the liquid inside the eye. The liquid inside the eye is called as vitreous humor. Got it?
Got it, sir. So then what is conjunctiva?
Conjunctiva is like white part. It is called as sclera also. Means conjunctiva is the finest layer on the sclera. Sclera is the white eye. The white one. This white one. This is sclera. Got it, everyone? Leanne, Agatha, Joshua, David. David, you came again. Agatha was telling me to call David's father. Oh, okay. No, Agatha was telling me to call father that you left in the middle of the class. Okay, Abraham, did you understand? Christina, understood? Okay, so we'll end this class. I hope you have enjoyed the class. We'll meet tomorrow on the same time. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing over Shabakir. Tayo, Nara. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Bye.
sir. Thanks for class.
Bye,
Thank you.
guys. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Sir.
Bye. Thank you. Bye. Bye.